How to fix Outlook not connecting on Windows. 1. Check and troubleshoot your internet connection, if needed. 2. Restart your computer. 3. Turn off the work offline mode. Path, Outlook descent / Receive tab. 4. Update Outlook. 5. Prepare your Outlook account. Path, Outlook file account. Settings account settings. 6. Remove unnecessary Outlook add-ins. Path, Outlook file options. Add-in Setcom add-ins for manage. 7. Rebuild the Outlook data file by renaming current PST file. 8. Remove, using the recommended uninstall tool Pro in this video guide, then reinstall Office 365.